Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet.
Hi, today I want to show you how to do the beautiful herringbone stitch. I have used a bulky weight 6 yarn and a 6mm hook for this. So let's begin. We begin with a slip knot. And then we make some chains. For this stitch you don't have to have an even or uneven number of chains. You just chain the number that fits your need. I will chain 16 for this. When I have 16 chains, I will skip the first one, and in the second chain I will do a single crochet. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So just a regular single crochet. Then the next chain I will do a herringbone stitch. So you have this loop right here, and you have this loop right here. In the second one, you will insert the hook, and then in your next chain. So insert the hook in the next chain, then yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now you have 3 loops right here. You will insert the hook in the third one from your hook. So insert the hook underneath this one and through your next chain, down here, then yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay? And then pull through this third one, insert the hook underneath the third one, and then in your next chain, yarn over and pull through, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And it's pretty important to keep this loose, since these one will define the stitches. So insert the hook in the third one, in the next chain, then yarn over and pull through, and then pull up a loop so you keep it loose, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. And then you just continue like this all the way across. So now we have our first row. Now we will chain 1 to turn. And this will now be the front of our work. So when we turn it, we now have the back side facing us, and this will be the front. For the herringbone stitch, we will always insert the hook from the front. So we will actually be inserting the hook from the front side. Now we will skip the turning chain, and then we will insert the hook in the second chain, in the second stitch. We will bring the yarn in front, and then we will insert the hook from behind, so from the front, and underneath the stitch, like so. And we will also take this loop down here, so the third loop as well. So through all 3 loops, and then we will grab the yarn and pull through, pull it up, just pull it up a bit so we keep it loose, and then grab the yarn and pull through. So that's the first stitch. Now we will continue. See the back side here, you have this loop. We will insert the hook into this loop, and then we will insert the hook from behind in the next stitch through all 3 loops. So you have these 3 as well. Then we grab the yarn, pull through, and pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through all of them. And then again, turn it. Insert the hook in this loop and in the next stitch through all 3, 1, 2, 3, then grab the yarn, pull it through and pull it all the way up. Just give it a good pull, yarn over and pull through all 3. And you see the stitches becoming on the back side. It's pretty beautiful. Then insert the hook in this one, and then in the next stitch through all 3 loops, grab the yarn, pull through, pull up a loop. So you have your 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So this is how you do it when you work on the back side facing you. Then you have this on the front. You see the herringbone stitches becoming right here, and you'll just repeat this all the way across. And that was row 2. You finish row 2 with a chain. So chain 1 and then you turn. Now you have your front facing you again. So we will now be working from the front to the back. In the first stitch here, you will do a regular single crochet. So just insert the hook and single crochet. And then in the next stitch, you will insert the hook underneath this loop. And then in the next stitch, but through all 3 loops, have this, and the 3rd loop back here. So insert the hook through 1, 2, and 3, through all 3 loops, then grab the yarn, pull up a loop, just pull it good, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. And then in the next stitch, you insert the hook in this loop, and then through all these 3 loops, then grab the yarn, pull through, and pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. And repeat. Insert the hook through this loop, and then through the next stitch, through all 3 loops, grab the yarn, pull through, and pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Insert the hook through this one, and then through all 3 loops through the next stitch. Grab the yarn, pull through, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So you will just repeat this all the way across, and you see these herringbone stitches becoming. You will now continue just repeating row 2 and row 3 again and again, and then you will see this herringbone stitch in its perfect state. Just repeat row 2 and row 3. And when you continue it for a while, you now have this beautiful, beautiful herringbone stitch. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!